This is actually the maiden voyage right now. We just I talked to Alex about this, just looking for somebody to paint to basically ambient guitar music, kind of sound sketches. A lot of it is really improvised, and it's meant to have a really free feeling, and there's really not much of a time signature. It's kind of floaty, and yeah, I'm interested to see what he paints to it and everything.
Yeah, and then, pretty much my job is kind of take that sound canvas and turn it into a real canvas, and just kind of like bring what I'm hearing kind of and what's going on, and just kind of even the kind of just as it's happening right there kind of moment of it, just making that and just kind of doing it and putting it into the colors and putting it into shapes and stuff like that. So.
I don't know if this speaks for everyone, but a little bit of Miles Davis influence, perhaps. Just kind of the way he plays his lines and leaves space in between. And that's one thing I talk about a lot in practice, is like we have to leave space for everybody to do what they want to do and react to each other. And it's a lot about like listening to each other and trying to make all of this almost nonsense come together to make sense.